In this video, I want to talk about how you can have multiple charts inside of TradingView. Now for this to work, you need to have an upgraded account. So if you're just using the free basic version, this is not going to work since you can only use one chart on the basic version. Now, once your account is upgraded, what you want to do is just head over to the super charts. And once you're inside of here, you should see a rectangle up here in the right hand side. If this video is a little old, then it might be somewhere else, but it's called setup. So you can see it's called layout setup. And what you want to do is you want to press on this and you should be able to select from in here. So if you wanted to, you could select this double one here and you would be able to have two charts. You can also select the triple if you want more, and you can just select from in here. But obviously if I'm trying to do it, it says I need to upgrade. So that is how that works. So you need to have the upgraded version and then you can select how many charts you want on there. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.